Facing issues with your iPhone standby mode not working after the iOS 18 update, this useful feature can turn your phone into a smart display, but software bugs or system glitches can sometimes prevent it from working properly. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to fix the problem and get your standby mode back on track. Solution 1. Enable standby mode. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Standby. Toggle the standby switch to on. Solution 2. Ensure your iPhone is in landscape mode. Standby mode only works when your iPhone is in landscape mode, so place your iPhone sideways on a supported charging dock or stand while charging. Solution 3. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, just install it. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then select Reset all settings. Confirm when prompted. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the standby mode not working issue on your iPhone. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button. And if you've got any questions or need more help, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips.